Hey, it's Nessa. I'm here for your Maintenance Mondays. One of the things that we want you guys to do is to actually take care of what God entrusted you with. You know, whether you were a warrior wig or whether God just, has blessed you tremendously and you were able to come in and get one of our beautiful pieces. We want to make sure that you know the best things that you could use for the longevity of this hair, right? Because we want to take care of it. So a few things that we use here is these wide tooth combs. And a lot of times when we're, brushing out our hair, we're actually going to come in here and use this. It's not going to tangle it so much. So definitely this. The other thing that we use, wet brushes. Wet brushes are great. We're always going to brush from the bottom of the hair all the way up to the scalp, okay? But we love the wet brushes. Other great products we want you to use is, if you do not have our Georgia hair shampoo, okay, this is what we recommend. But if you don't have that, please, please, please invest in a good salon grade shampoo. So I want you to look for Redken, look for Kenra, look for Biolodge. Definitely just a good shampoo, okay? It's worth the investment. If you're going to use heat protectant, we actually encourage you to use a heat protectant. A good one though, the one that I love the most is the Silkening Heat Cream. I'll talk a little bit more about that and how to use it, but it's actually great product. It's made by Kenra. Another thing we're going to want you to use, these don't produce oils, so we're going to want you to actually use some kind of great hair oil and put back into this hair, okay? So we're going to talk a little bit more about how to use that too. Just want to show you products for right now. The other things are, if you're going to use a hairspray, a lot of times wigs don't need them, but sometimes we have a few little flyaways or we may want a little hold around the face. The two that we recommend the most is going to be the Kenra 9. It's a very brushable, lightweight hairspray. The other one, if you need just a little bit more hold, is going to be the Moroccan Oil. Moroccan Oil is a very reputable product, so when I'm talking about salon grade products, this is also for your shampoo, for anything. This is what we want you to use. And we look forward to putting out some more videos.